Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can operate auto rotation on this device. You need to start by opening tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it, and as you can see, mine is green. That means that auto rotation is now on. If you wish to turn it off, you can always do that by clicking on the same icon. If you want to, you can go into settings as well and tap on display section. Then scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is now enabled. If you wish to disable it, click on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!